What's tea, y'all?
Here, y'all. Take a bite. Big Gemini energy. Big Gemini energy. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday, June 4th. I'm on my way to meet up with your friends, our old friends. We're gonna go get some dinner and some drinks. So it's like a little friend date going on. There's gonna be a lot of going out this summer. I'm currently in the lift right now. My shoes off. I love this dress. It's a little chilly outside, so I'm gonna put it on without no jacket. I've been wanting to go to this place, and it's crazy because me and her was texting, and she was like, "Oh, she was looking at that place on TikTok," and I was like, "Girl, that place has been on my list." So we're gonna go there for dinner. It's currently 6:53. It's almost 7 o'clock. I hope the food is good. The food looks good, so I hope the food is good. Yeah, so we're gonna head out for some drinks and some food. So continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm almost there.
Anytime I'm ready, you're my day upon the telly, stand the food, I'm a zany, yo, the dial right steady. Speed up, Jesus, white tees on the bed, gas on my shop like guillotine. Steve just sent me the leads, 10 mil at the least. Me had the definition of a niche. Somebody tell me what the fuck it means. Said it's stopping on a limit.
I never had acne before. I want to try it.
You know what? Actually, never. Calamari sauce. Yeah, that's it. Bro, church can also that. Please. Look at my day for the evening.
And guillotine. And some of blast the life we live for the fast cash. Rich and not fully goes up, can't fall off.
What's tea, y'all? Not what the vlog needed. Or what the channel needed. TikTok, yeah. Obsessed with TikTok, child.
You know who's been up there? I'm not really a fried shit person, but this looks good.
That's what you're not weird. Oh no, it's makeup. I like that too. So I don't know. We didn't talk about this, but I feel so overdressed and she's not even dressed up. I mean, her top is cute, but girl.
Oh, my food came and it's not so too big. I'm gonna show you what I got.
I'm gonna need this child. I'm not even the same. Give me what?
My food is so good. The lobster tail looks so good. I thought mine was gonna come as the lobster tail.
And they put the recipes right under, like, that's the recipe. Why?
Yo, Bobbies, we still living out the tropics. Connect my phone, now they have fish. Couple soul of vitamins. And I'm a clear and smart, I'm a ride and square. And I'm a clear and smart, ride and square. Expensive beats in my Panama. I'm still a buy lease with the dad.
So where you be finding all your laces at?
Instagram, girl. I have some business saying. That's great.
Wake up in a cheap panty. Say you have a man and
Okay, so this was vodka. See the right?
The only vodka that doesn't make you fat.
It was fine. It was good. It was not smooth. It's summertime and we outside, okay?
Top 2021, 2023. We outside. We outside.
I lost my mom May 17th, 2021, and then she lost her mother July 17th, 2021. So we both had 2021. But this year, we outside. Because they would want us to be outside. We are such a big artist. See ya. So after having this drink and then this drink, and then a shot and then this drink, it's about a minute. Yeah, Chanel. Oh no.
There you go, yeah.
That's my song.
I know y'all had a good time, right?
Yeah, we did. Look at guy looking at you. How you know it's mine? This was yours, right? Yeah, so it's still June 4th. It's 11:45 p.m., almost midnight. Yo, that's my eyes. So I just came back from a dinner date with one of my old friends. It was nothing bad. We didn't fall out or nothing. We just didn't lose contact, but she had moved to Atlanta and she came back and we just linking up. But y'all, oh my god, oh my head. As y'all saw, the drinks that I had, they were strong. Plus that shot that Danielle insisted that we take, that we didn't need to take. But she's like, we gotta take shots. We gotta take shots. Miss TikTok, we gotta take shots. So I'm like, okay, whatever. So since I'm gonna dress, I'm gonna do an unboxing because I'm already dressed. I'll just take advantage of the fact that I'm already dressed with makeup and all that. I bought this before my trip, way before my trip, but it came so late, and I'm just like, yeah, I ordered something from me before, and it came really late. I didn't like that, but it's still my season. And I ordered the big reveal. Get into it. Big Gemini energy. Period. Big Gemini energy. Big Gemini energy. I gotta wear this hat before the 2 weeks is over. I'll put it on right now and see how it looks. I'm gonna try this on. So I bought this hat off of Instagram. They have all the Zodiac signs. I'm gonna try this hat on and see how it fits with this side part. But it's fine. So let's try this on. Let's see. Like, it's not the outfit for it or nothing. This is the weekend after my birthday, and this is the first outing since I came back from my trip. We said we was gonna link up after my trip, so we was like, all right. I asked her if she was free, and she was like, yeah, she ain't got nothing to do. So I was free because I had plans, but the plans rescheduled. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna make plans with somebody else because I wanted to go out this weekend. Yeah, you're gonna see a lot of outings in these vlogs. Matter of fact, the whole summer. We outside. That's it for this portion of the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next clip, which is going to be another day. A couple days from now, probably, because I'm tired. Last year when Telfar had that big drop, right after the rainbow drop, they had a big drop online. And I had got 2 Telfar bags. I keep forgetting to unbox them. So me and my friend, we had bought each other bags. And she was asking me, like, you ain't unboxed them yet? You didn't do the video yet? And I keep forgetting, honestly. But I'm about to order me another one because I just checked my email and I saw that they have them now until the 18th. They have them online. So yeah, I'm about to order one because the last time when I ordered, they had took so long to send me mine. Like my friend and other people had ordered 3 or 4 at one time got theirs and I didn't get mine. So they had gave me $100 credit. So I'm going to use that. I'm kind of torn what color to get. I think I'm going to get the black or the white. Just to, you know, that goes with everything. Probably the black. Or should I get the white? I should get white. I don't have no white bag. I think I'm going to get the white because I really don't have no white bag. Thinking about it now. I don't. So I'm about to order it now. Use that $100 credit that they gave me. I think they said they're gonna ship it like by August, the end of August basically. So it'll be in one of the summer vlogs. Yeah, we're gonna go order that now before I leave up for work. Yeah, so to see what color I get, just keep watching the vlogs. Thank y'all for the support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And yeah, happy Friday. Drink something for me because I'm gonna be at work. Y'all, this is from when I had ordered the last time. Y'all see that date? I saved it easy for me to find. If you want to thank you for making the rainbow drop. To help make it up, we offer you $100 credit towards. Okay. Right, this code is a one-time use. So yeah, go ahead. Go ahead and try. Because best believe it's already used by the time y'all seen this video. So nobody could use this. I just finished making my Telfar purchase. I was going back and forth with the colors and which color to get, but buck up on a color, and yeah, it suit me. It suit me real bad. We go real bad. The unboxing will be in probably like the next 2-3 vlogs. Yeah, I should be sleeping, right? But no, I'm gonna go make my OT. Yeah, I'm about to go to work now. I can't really take this wig off my head. I put my hair in a ponytail because I'm gonna take it when I get to work. Like I wanted to revive this wig so bad. Because I've been seeing on YouTube how they do it with the downy. I think I'm going to get the downy on my way to work. Just in case I'm not tired, so I can do it. Keep watching the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And yeah, see y'all in the next clip. I just seasoned up some of this chicken breast with some garlic salt and chicken seasoning and some sazon. And I put some avocado oil into the pot. I can tell it's not hot right now. I'm going to make a salad. I'm gonna make a fruit salad, fruit/regular salad. I'm gonna add some fruits to the salad, but I'm gonna add the chicken on top of it too. And so that's all I'm gonna use. Only need. I'm only using that much chicken. I don't need. Alright, so they're almost done. Salad. This is what I have so far. I'm going to, do I have a dressing? Let me check and see if I have a dressing. I'm not even sure. I don't have any dressing, like any liquid dressing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna, I have this ranch dressing from Trader Joe's. It's good for popcorn, vegetables, or put in recipes. I have that. Or I could just use a little bit of avocado oil. I think I'm gonna do that. And not put a lot, but I have the chicken right here, so brown, looks so good. So I'm going to add the chicken to this salad. Yo, and it smells so good. Tell me that salad isn't bomb. Tell me that don't look good. That looks so good. What? I think I'm gonna put some of the ranch season on it. And oh, I like how this looks. Okay, I'm liking this. I'm not really a ranch person, but I'm trying something new right now. And if y'all see this salad, and if y'all, oh, this smells good. And if y'all see this salad, y'all will understand. Look at this salad. Oh my God, the salad is so good. So I'll have some fruits, avocado, my favorite, and the American blend lettuce. Tell me the salad don't look good. Tell me the salad don't look good. It's currently 10:34, June 18th, and yeah, this is what I'm eating. And I have get some water from out the fridge, but this is dinner. This is Sunday dinner. All right, so I'm about to try the salad now. Here, y'all. Take a bite. Just one bite. Don't be greedy. I have to eat the avocado first. The only thing is missing in here is tomatoes. The chicken now. Tell me why UPS delivered my package to a whole different address. And my thing is, like, I could have sent it to work, but they were telling us not to send packages to work anymore. People were still doing it, so I'm like, I should have sent it to work because I was at work Friday, and that's when it came, Friday night. So today's Father's Day, as y'all saw. I wanted to go to my dad's, but again, I was like, you know what? Let me just stay home and do what I gotta do. But my dad already knows. Like, my dad knows. Me missing one Father's Day is nothing to him. But he said he got breakfast in bed and stuff, so he could. So on here I have some chicken, mango, avocado, and strawberry. Sounds crazy, but let's see how it tastes. Not gonna lie, it's a different type of taste I was expecting, but it's all going to the same place. So the sun is sunning today, as it freaking should. I have to put on my hat today. We have like 2 more days to Gemini season, but it's today is Monday, June 19th, so it's Juneteenth, and I gotta be on my way. I know I smell. Whew. On my way to work. Yeah, side eye. I'm stopping to grab me a drink. That's what I'm going to do, because yeah, 3-ish right now. I work at 5 o'clock, so I got some time. I'm going to still stop and celebrate Juneteenth some way, somehow, like the end of slavery, a whole 150 years. I think I'm going to celebrate that. There's a spot on my way to work that I always want to check out, so yeah, I'm going to stop there and grab me a drink. Happy hour right now, so, and oh yeah, definitely black owned, of course. The sun is sunning today. I'm glad I wore this hat, but I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. So y'all, the place is closed. This is where I wanted to go, right here at Tilly's. They are closed. I checked on Google. So let me check on Google. Thank God I did. So now I gotta find somewhere to go within like the next 10 minutes, cause what the hell. These wings are so good. And then this drink, it's called the Lush Life. Yeah, the Lush Life. This drink is really good. It's really the spot. Wings are good, the drinks is good. I would definitely recommend to come here. Here, way more lighting. So I'm making my left to go to work now. The drinks was really good. That drink I had was really good. The wings was really good. So I would definitely recommend. Definitely. another day. But happy Juneteenth, everybody. So this is what we're having for lunch today. Some salads from Sweet Green. It's my first time. Big. This container is big. I wonder which one is mine. Kale season. That's the first one. And this is the second one. I'm gonna say I hope they have 2 forks and not one. Yeah. So that's the lunch. Let me open up and see. Mine has avocado. I'll add avocado to both of them have avocado. Yeah, so this is everything and the salad. I forgot which one. I'm gonna put it on the screen. I hope it's good though. This is my first time having it. Open up. So yeah, this is a salad. We got arugula. This is called arugula, whatever. Cucumbers. I don't know what this is. This is some wild rice, and then some avocado. The blackened chicken, I think it was, lime, red cabbage, and they got some almonds in here. And this is my first time ordering from Sweet Green, so I hope it's good. Oh, this salad is so good. Yours is good too, right? I don't see why people be in here so much. That's wild rice. No, that's crispy rice. It was a little bit on the pricey side. It's so good. This looks like some rice from Trader Joe's. So, I haven't vlogged since Juneteenth, so yeah. Just checking in. This weekend I have a brunch, like a late birthday brunch I'm doing. The place I'm going to already went there, but I never like vlogged or anything. That won't be a part of this vlog, but it will be the beginning of the next vlog. So look out for that. And hi to the new subscribers, Wagwan. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.